Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and wanted to talk about one of my annoyances that I've been having recently with particularly something that I use very often because that's the main program that I go through for all the pictures that I take. You know, in today's world, we have a smartphone that probably takes a gazillion pictures, and mine is synced with my OneDrive. And all of that shows up in photos. And the photo app in itself, it's not that bad, but it could be better. But one of the things that I've noticed in Windows 11, and that's something that doesn't happen in Windows 10, is the sluggishness of certain pictures, but particularly videos. So you'll take a video with your phone, it will sync, for example, with OneDrive. What happened in the past is that in Windows 10, even if it's in OneDrive, even if it's in the cloud, it's going to start playing immediately. It's going to kind of stream. And so you get to the point where, okay, this works, and it's streaming, and it's fine. It's quite all right. But in the Windows 11 computer, and this happens both on the dev channel and on the Windows 11 main, Windows 11 for everybody. What's happening is that it takes a while. So you click on a video, and the video will, kind of disappear like if it didn't work. But actually, if you let it go, after a certain time, it's going to start. As if it has to download all of it before you can actually play it. I have to say that the photo app in Windows 11 is broken and needs to be fixed. Honestly, it also could be better. I've never complained much about the photo app because mostly what I do is I go and check the pictures or search for something by using the search at the top, which works decently well for searching even for specific items. You can actually, if you have pictures of fruits, if you type apple, it actually recognizes what an apple is and will show you only the pictures with apples in them. But still, there's definitely major place for improvements with the photo app. And sometimes I'm thinking maybe I should use some other third-party software for this. Because I have to say, even though I didn't find it fantastic, at least in Windows 10 it works from the start. The fact that it's that slow and has that delay in videos in Windows 11, that's where I'm getting annoyed at this app more than anything else. So this is something that that definitely needs to be fixed. There's no need to wait. I mean, come on, you can just stream it directly from OneDrive if there's the videos on the cloud. I don't understand that delay, and Windows 10 doesn't have that delay. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. What do you think of the photo app in Windows 10 and 11, but particularly in 11 if you use it in 11? But even if you use it in Windows 10, let me know. What do you think of that photo app? Do you think it should be improved and there should be better, something better coming up? I think it might be a good idea to have some new redesigned photo app.